real quick.
You see, you got somebody.
That piece of shit's one.
Whoa, guys.
Get his
bitch ass, bro.
James.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Is that his name? What's his middle name?
He's above being a coward, bro. What a pussy.
Where?
Right there.
Bro, tell your dog to shut up, man.
You alright?
Bro, you're not doing your pull-ups correct. Oh, I see him.
Your dog got me killed.
Yeah, you did.
Yo, shut up.
You ready,
Sparky.
buddy?
He's on the last floor, bro.
Am I?
He's in there.
Yeah.
Bro, he gave us a flying glitch, man.
Oh, you lucky my dog got me killed, bro.
You
see
dog
the-
shit.